think of was Supernova, because I wanted something space related. So let's go ahead and get started working on the snap build of our entrance sign. Getting the finishing touches here. We have our sign, we got our station, and now I need a transfer track. So the fun but realistic thing to store tracks or trains when we're not using them. So let's check that out. And the transfer track. So I covered it all up with the same material as the station, added this little hole to the